Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to try the Turkish street foods and we are in Istanbul Eminönü right now. And I solved the voice problem in the video, so I bought the microphone. I hope that everything goes very well, so let's go. These are chestnuts. You can find those everywhere in Istanbul. And those are the corns. We're going to taste it. 100 gram kestane rica edeceğim. Bir tane de mısır istiyorum. Teşekkür ederim.
Bir tane mi?
That is corn and he add a bit of salt on top of it, so I love it. It's 25 Turkish liras. It's so cheap. And also it's so juicy here, like that. Milky. Really juicy and also milky.
Ne kadardı?
It's 25 Turkish liras. I think it's cheap. Chestnut is the symbol of the winter in Istanbul. In the past, these are cooked in the stove in homes, like that. This one is a bit hairy, by the way. I love it. Maybe this one is my best street food, you know, because it's delicious. It's a bit of sugary. I love it. Beğendin mi? And we are in Derya Balık Ekmek right now. This place is the most popular place for fish and bread in Eminönü. And here is fish and bread. İstersen yakınlaş. The fish, onions, lettuce, and bread. It's so simple, but I know this place before, so I know it is delicious. Let's taste. Fishes will be good with the lemon juice, so put some. These fishes are really fresh and these are good with the lemon juice and onions also. You can try. And that is pickle juice. Normally, everyone drink pickle juice with fish and bread. I think this one is cucumber. This is cabbage. Yeah, like that. taste it. Bit of spicy. It's a bit spicy and also soury also. Normally. Let's finish the fish and bread and try another street foods.
Lokma is a Turkish dessert that is prepared by frying the dough prepared with flour, yeast, salt, and sugar in oil and served by sweetening it with thick syrup. There are two types made of round or small sapphire-shaped dough with a hole in the middle. İzmir lokma for the round-shaped one, the spherical one is called saray lokma.
Our third station is Osmanlı lokmacısı. Last time I tried a lokma in Gaziantep, maybe you know it. If you don't know it, you can watch the other videos in there. Tamam.
Mısırını al. Şu lokmanı al.
Bir
Abla, kaç
saniye.
istiyorsun?
Şundan sonra alsam olur
Bir
mu?
tane mi? Buyurun.
Okay, it is 35 Turkish liras.
Şeyle buyurun paranızın üstü. Lokmanı vereyim kızım.
Bir saniye alacağım.
Buyurun lokma gel, lokma gel, lokma gel. Buyurun. Buyurun.
Okay. Alabilirim.
Buyurun. Vereyim mi?
Aha.
Buyurun.
Okay. Thank you.
Teşekkür ederim. Yavaş yavaş. Kal öyle.
Okay. This one has different shape. The other one, it's like a donut shape. If you look closer, it is crunchy on the outside and fluffy inside. And it's really sugary because it is with a syrup on top of it. Right here. Yes, it's good, but kelimeyi unuttum yine. Hafif.
Hafif de ya.
I forgot the word hafif. So it is not a hafif tatlı. It is really ağır. But it's delicious. There is underground bazaars inside, and you can shop kind of shoes, kind of watches like that. And here is a Istanbul cat. You can, yes, I cannot pet him because I think I'm not allowed. Oh, okay. Okay. Özür dilerim, rahatsız mı oldun benden? Özür dilerim. Bilmiyorum. Bir pazar ve peynirler var. Kind of bazaar and there's cheeses. There is sucuk also. And Turkish delights. several types of Turkish delights.
Gel gel gel gel. İndirin burada, indirin burada.
Su versene dayı.
Okay. 20 liras.
Çok güzel, çok güzel. Çok yumuşak, çok yumuşak. Çok güzel, çok güzel.
20 liras for simit and ayran.
Çok taze, çok taze, çok taze, çok taze, çok taze. Buyurun. Çok güzel, çok güzel.
Sağ olun. It's really cold outside right now. I'm a bit freezing. Here's our ayran and simit. Like that. These are the sesame seeds. It's like a salty donut, but it's bigger one. Like that. You can eat simit with cheese, with Nutella, with tomatoes, like that. Because it's like a bread. You can eat this in breakfast. You can eat this as a street food. My favorite combo is with a ayran. And of course, you know ayran is made with Turkish yogurt, not the Greek one. Because Greek one is also Turkish one. Ah. Ah. This is ayran. It is just yogurt, water, and salt. And also, this is my favorite drink after the water. We ate some kind of street foods today. So thank you for watching, guys. If you like the video, and please subscribe my channel also. Bye.